Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Mo. If you're returning, thank you for returning. I'm just curling my hair and figured I'd film it. I don't want it to be neat. I want, of course, the little beachy thing. And yes, y'all, this is the same hair that I had in from a few weeks ago. I haven't tightened the tracks. I haven't done anything. But yeah, I'm just using my wand just to kind of just give it a little. And I am using this here, CONAIR curl something or another, I don't know. But yeah, this is what I'm using. Probably a CVS or Walgreens now that I think about it. But yeah, I'm just throwing a few curls in. I used to have a glove that came with this. And of course, who knows where that is. So just hold it in there a little bit. Just figured I'd share with you guys how I curl it. Guys, we are on the way to 500 subs. I thank each and every one of you. I think right now, today, I think we're at about right at 300. But yep, these are the same tracks. You can see. They're loose, but I don't feel like taking them out and dealing with it. So that's why I still have them in. And I only hold it for like 5 or 6 seconds, not long, just to give me a little spring curl. How was y'all's weekend? Mine has been phenomenal. Anytime I wake up in the morning, it's great. Just taking the hair and wrapping it around, then holding it. You'll see the curls. Y'all see the curls okay? I'm just taking it, putting it under, and wrapping it. Ouch. That's hot. And I'm pointing the wand up, so when I take it out, the curls will fall down and lay flat against the head. So it's kind of like I'm curling it on base, so it lays a little flatter to the scalp. What they call off base. If I was to get up under here, and it will be up like this. That's off base. But I'm curling it down on base, so it's not so far away from my scalp. Since I don't have a whole lot of hair in here, I don't want you to be able to see the tracks through the curls. And as I'm twisting this, I'm kind of twisting the hair also, if that makes sense. Hopefully it does. If not, what else? Mike can show you on my on my mannequin head. And you can get this same look with a curling iron. So those that have not mastered the skill of how to do this, yep, you can get the same look with the curling iron. Kind of hanging on by a thread here. But they're still in there. You see right through them. Right there. And that little humming noise you hear, I have my fan in here. This little fan here, I got from the beauty supply store. Because it is hot. I will come back when I'm closer to being finished. Just doing this last little bit. Got most of it done, then I'll do my edges and whatnot. And it's best when you finish doing a curl to let it cool. To let it cool off. The curls are all done. Let me show you the back. Hope this is in the frame, because I don't know. Now I'm going to flat iron these little pieces. Put a little oil on it. I am going to get my spray and spray this, but then I'll be back with the finished look. You can see the back of it. Gray hair coming back. Get my fan on because I'm sweating. This is the spray that I'm using in black. Alright, just gotta put a little oil on my hands and then I'll put it on my curls, but not break the curls, the mold of the curl. Yeah, this is the finished look. Yeah, I just like to leave the curls alone. And yep, this is it. Now these curls bouncing and behaving, and just leave them alone. Let them set, keep setting.